Hello guys, welcome to my channel Ride and Ride. In this video, we learn the activity lifecycle in the Android. First of all, we see the lifecycle of activity diagram. Here, we can see there are 7 methods in activity lifecycle. First is onCreate method, called as when activity is first created, and the next is onStart method when the activity is becoming visible to the user, and the next method is onResume when the activity is called will start interaction between the user. The next activity is onPause method is called as when the activity is not visible to the user, and the next method is onStop method is called as activity is no longer response to the user or not visible to the user. The next method is onDestroy method is called as when the activity is totally destroyed by the user, and the another method is onRestart method is called as after you activity is stopped prior to the start. Here we can start the coding of this activity lifecycle. Before the starting, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon button to get new notification when I uploaded the videos. Let's start to the coding part of the activity lifecycle. Here the first method onCreate method is already declared in this program. There is no need to create onCreate method. Simply I display the one message to in a logcat. So I type here log.d and I pass the message here lifecycle comma on create method is invoked, and I create a next method onStart method. Here protected void on start method. Here I call this onStart method super dot onStart method. Then I put in the log dot d lifecycle onStart method onStart method is invoked. Then again next I create the next method is onResume method, then protected void on resume method. Here call again super dot on resume method, then I can print here log.d. Just directly I copy this statement here, copy and here paste. Now change onResume method is invoked. I want to create next method protected void. Next method is onPause method, and onPause method then here call super dot onPause, then print log d. Here pass the message here lifecycle onPause method is invoked. Here the next method is onStop method. Here I type here protected void protected void on stop method. Here call super dot onStop method, again print log dot d and pass the message LifeCycle. Here print the message onStop method is invoked. Here the another method is onRestart method. Here I declare protected void on restart method. We call super dot onRestart method, then again log dot d, pass the message LifeCycle. Here pass the message onRestart method is invoked. Here last method is onDestroy method. I call this super dot onDestroy method and call to log dot d, pass the message LifeCycle. Message here type onDestroy method is invoked. Here our code is ready for execution. Simply click on this here, run your app on emulator. Here you can show the logcat. You can see here what's going on now in activity. Then you can simply watch the activities in logcat. Here our projects now compile and installing in our emulator. Then you can see your activities launched in our emulator, and here you can see here in logcat our code is our activities here. Your activities here you can see the onRestart method is invoked and onResume method is invoked. Then here you can see when the activities launch in this emulator. Then you can see here onCreate method is invoked, onStart method is invoked, or onResume method is invoked. When I destroy this or close this app, then you can here see the activity is stopped in this LifeCycle, in this logcat. That's it.